In this video, I'll show you how to boost a post on Instagram. So if you don't have a professional account, click on the top right corner and type in professional. And click on switch to professional account. Click on next. Select which you are. I'm, for example, an entrepreneur, and click on switch to professional account. Here you select if you're a creator or a business and click on next. Click on OK. You can select here if you want to receive promotional email. For example, I will turn it off and click on next. Once you've done that, click on the X. Now you can click on any post, scroll down a bit and click on boost post. And click on the post you want to boost. Click on what you want to do with a Facebook ad account or without it. For example, I'm going to go without it and click on continue. Click OK. And here you can select what you want Instagram for people to do. For example, visit your profile, your website, message you, or mix of everything. For example, I don't have a website, so I'll just click on the visit my profile and click on next. The best thing here is to leave it as suggested content. That way Instagram suggests your content to people that view similar content to yours. Here you can select how much you want to spend on ads daily, and you can set a duration or just let it run until you don't want to anymore. After you selected, click on next. Here, click confirm, add a payment method, and boost your post. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.